My dear children, welcome to Kannada by and Telugu my channel. Okay, today I am going to start one of the part in your social science. Okay, that is geography. Okay, all of you know the geography part is also one of the most important part of the social science. So here all of you 10th standard students, you must learn all the 6 parts. So in that, okay, today I am going to start one of the first lesson in the geography, that is called Indian position and extension. Okay, in the world, okay, there are many or 7 continents. So in that, one of the largest continent in the world, that is we called Asian continent. So every continent has the different position, different geographical location, different type of wildlife, and different type of climatical conditions. So in the same way, in the Asian continent, one of the most important nation, that is India. So India is the 7th largest country in the world in the geographical area, and it is a second largest country in the population. So today we are going to learn about the Indian position and extension. So in this contest, we are learn about the following in this chapter. The first subpoint is location of India in Asia and the world, extent and frontiers of India, neighboring countries of India. So in this chapter we are going to learn about these 3 subtopics. Okay, let's see now one by one. The location of India in Asia and the world. Geographically, India is located in the northern hemisphere and is at the center of the eastern hemisphere. Okay, children, here in the world map you can see the exact location of India in the world map. So here what we can see in this map, that is a red vertical line which is passed from north to the south. So that is divided earth into 2 hemisphere, that is western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. So the same way here one more yellow line, okay, that is called as latitude, passes through the middle of the earth and divided earth into the 2 equal halves, that is northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So here India is located in the northern hemisphere and it is totally located in the center of the eastern hemisphere. So that is the reason here we can write that India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Okay, north and eastern hemisphere. So this is the exact location of India and the world map. Okay, here it is a peninsula situated in the Southeast Asia. Okay, Southeast Asia. Okay, all of you know that peninsula, which means the land is covered water in the three sides. So that landmass is called as peninsula. So it is located in the Southeast Asia. Okay, Southeast Asia. The mainland of India extends from 88.4 minutes north to 37.6 minutes north latitude, and from 68.7 minutes to 97.25 minutes east longitude. Okay, which means here the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is exactly starts from, it extended from 8.4 degree north to 37.6 north latitude, and from 68.7 minutes to 97.25 east longitude. So children, here this was one of the most important 2 marks question. Okay, this is very much important for the your examination point of view. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extended further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. Okay, means here, okay, you can see that in the Bay of Bengal we can see that one of a group of islands called Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So in the Arabian Sea also we can see there, that is called as Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, Lakshadweep Islands. So here what we have, that latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Further, this Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been extended towards to the south. So here the Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island at 60.45 north latitude. Okay, children, you can see here and the down where we can see there is a 6°45 north latitude, that is we called as that Indira Point. So this is also one of the important point or map point. Okay, keep it in your mind. And in this map you can see there exact that the latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. Okay, the latitudinal extent here the 8°.4 north to up to 37 degree 6 north, up to there it has been extended. And the longitude you can see there means 68°.7 east to 97.25 east longitude. So this is the exact the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Okay, extent. So this one we can see in the square shape. The northern tip of India is Indira Col. Okay, Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir. See children, here the top of the our map, where we can see the one of the dot in the Jammu and Kashmir. So that is we called as that Indira Col. And in one more map we can see here that is Indira Point. So this is we called as a 6.45 degree, okay, degree latitude. So that is we call Indira Point in the south, Indira Col is in the north. These two also very much important for your map. Okay, please learn this, children. Okay, let's see now how is India is divided. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, passes through the middle of the country, and 82.5 degree east longitude is a central meridian of India. So the Indian Standard Time is based on this longitude. So here clearly you can see this, children. You see one latitude is passes through the middle of the country from west to the east. So that is we called as that Tropic of Cancer, and it is divided in India into two equal parts, that is South India and North India. And one more part longitude also we can see there. See here, from Kanyakumari to up to Jammu and Kashmir. So this is also one of the important latitude which is passed through the India. One of the important longitude is passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. So that is we called as 82.5 degree east longitude. So this longitude is called as that central meridian, and the standard time of India is based on this longitude. Okay, based on this longitude. Okay, Indian Standard Time. Then you can ask me that what is this longitude and the latitude? The latitude means the imaginary lines drawn from west to the east horizontally. It is called as latitudes. And the vertical lines of the globe, which are passed or drawn from north to the south, these lines are called longitudes. So here the 23.5 degree north latitude also one of them, and 82.5 degree east longitude. Both the latitude and longitude are also very much important. And also these latitudes, okay, latitude is played very important role in the deciding that climatical conditions in both the parts of the country. So these are two important latitude and longitude which are passes through India. You can see in this picture latitude and also longitude, both the things. Okay, one thing, children, you can feel difficult to identify the directions on the map. So I'll tell you that one easy tricks to find the directions on the map. That is, first you stand in front of the map. So there your head is always north and your feet is always south. Then your left is always west and your right is always east. Okay, when you will stand in front of the map, then you can easily identify the directions of the map. Okay, our head is north, our feet is south, our right is east, and our left is always west. Okay, then you can ask me that, sir, you can okay, we can easily identify the directions on the map. Then how can we identify the their directions without map? Then simple, just you stand toward in front of the sun. Okay, so where that sun rises, that is east. Where the sun is set, that is in the west. And here our left is always north and our right is always south. I hope you all understand that you can easily find the directions on the map and also generally also. This one you can follow, children. So here until now the location of the India we have discussed. Let's see now another important topic, that is we called extent. India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, United States of America, Brazil and Australia. Okay, 7th largest country in the world. The two in the geographical area, children, don't get confused. In geographical area, India is the 7th largest country. After the Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. 7th position, India is occupied in the geographical area. Then what is the total area of India? India has a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometer. 263 square kilometer. So here we can settle that in the millions. 3.28 millions. Okay, 3.28 millions of square kilometer, and it accounts for only in the world total area. India occupied only 2.42% of the world's total area. India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontiers of the country is about 15,200 square kilometers. Okay, land frontier means a total land boundary of India. The total land boundary of the country is about 15,200 kilometers. The mainland of India has water frontier of about 6,100 kilometers. So this one we called as the coastal line. The total coastal line of India is 6,100 square kilometer. The Arabian Sea in the west, okay, you can see there in the western part of India, we can see there that water body, that is Arabian Sea. Indian Ocean in the west, in the ocean in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east form the water frontiers. They are also naturally has formed these three water bodies which are surrounded to our country. So when we can see the neighboring countries, so here Afghanistan, which is located in the northwest. Pakistan is also, which is located in the northwest. China is in the north. China, Nepal, Bhutan, three are located in the north. Bangladesh, which is located in the east of the India. Sri Lanka, which is located in the south. Along with the Bangladesh, even Myanmar is also one of the important neighboring nation. To the southeast is Sri Lanka, which is separated from the mainland of India by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So children, you can see here between Sri Lanka and the India, which is a small line what we can see there, that is Park Strait, and beside of that and down of that only we can see the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, Gulf of Mannar. Administrative divisions. The Radcliffe line, okay, here the many of the lines, international boundary lines, have made that different countries separately are separated. So the Radcliffe line, this is the boundary line between India and Pakistan. So in this you can see there the red line between India and Pakistan, that is Radcliffe line. This one will divided India and Pakistan. Durand line, the boundary line separating India from Afghanistan. Durand line, which is separated India from Afghanistan. McMahon line, the boundary line between India and China. Okay, what we have now, India and China, there is one line, that is McMahon line. Okay, fine, children, this is okay about the Indian position and the extent. I hope you all understand, you can understand easily. So in the next class I'll come with the next lesson. If you have any doubts, okay, please, okay, comment and drop a message in my comment box. I'll clarify you. And before winding this video,